In this video, we're going to learn how you can generate the invoice report and the bid report in one single click. So in the last video, we have completed this drive-in transition service work order. What you need to do is you just need to simply click on it. And we have the task button in here. Make sure if your field crew don't capture the photos in the task, then you cannot generate the invoice in task directly. So you have to like manually create the task first and then you can generate it. But if they have already taken all the photos in the task, like as per the task, then you can simply go to the admin tab, click on the invoice button and click on this generate invoice button. It will gonna generate. So this is your generated invoice will gonna look like, and this is like the line item with drive-in transition, and it will gonna also add all the photos of the drive-in transition in it with the total price. You have that pencil icon where you can edit if you want to. Let's see, if I want to make it 95 instead of 85, I can do that. And then I can simply make the save changes and I can export it to the PDF and I can send it to the client if I want to. So I'll just let you know how you can do that. So this is how your invoice will gonna look like. It has all the pictures in it, price, the work order number and the client work order number, everything in one place. Now how you can generate the bid, as you can see in my task, I have like 2 bids because I use task method to capture the photo. So I have like 2 bids already added from the field. So I can simply click on this admin button, click on this bid report, and I can generate with AI pricing. Right now, AI pricing is like general, but we are trying to work with cost estimators. So maybe in a week or 2, we're gonna have a cost estimator bids for you. This is like tree trim and this is like fence repair. Both the bids are added. If you want to make the changes in the bid amount, you can do that. Otherwise, you can simply export the PDF and it will gonna give you the bid proposal like this. And you can send it to the client directly. So this is how you can generate the bid and the invoice directly from the app.